To convert a decimal to a percent, we're going to follow two steps. The first, move the decimal point 2 positions to the right, and then add the percent symbol. Here we have 38 hundredths. We'll move the decimal 2 places to the right from its current position and add the percent symbol. The decimal point is not necessary on this number, so 38% would be an acceptable representation and equivalent to the original decimal 38 hundredths. Let's look at a couple other examples. 55% is equivalent to 55 hundredths because we had 2 decimal places moved to the right and the addition of the percent sign. 75 thousandths, converting it to a percent, 2 decimal places to the right, and adding the percent sign gives us 7 5/10%. 2 as our starting place and converting it to a percent, we follow the same procedures, 2 decimal places to the right, and if necessary, which is the case here, putting in placeholders of 0 results in 200%.